AI-powered freelancing. How to make 100 hour without any skills. 1. How AI can do all the hard work while you get paid like an expert. Freelancing automation. AI-powered freelancing automation tools like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and Surfer SEO allow you to deliver high-quality content, SEO strategies, and marketing services without any prior experience. Clients on Upwork and Fiverr pay top rates for AI-enhanced work. Why struggle with skills when AI can do the heavy lifting? 2. The AI-powered side hustle that pays more than a full-time job. AI-powered gig work. AI can help you start high-paying freelancing gigs in copywriting, graphic design, and social media management using tools like Copy.ai, Sonic, and Midjourney. These platforms automate the creative process, allowing you to deliver work in minutes that would take others hours. Earn like a pro, even if you're just starting. 3. AI can create stunning websites in minutes, and clients will pay you thousands. High web design automation. AI-driven web design automation tools like Wix AI, Durable AI, and Framer AI build professional websites in minutes with zero coding required. Businesses need online presence, and they'll pay you top dollar to set it up for them. Turn AI into your personal money-making machine. 4. AI-powered resume writing. Make $100 per client with no experience. AI resume writing service. High-powered resume builders like Teal, KickResume, and ZD AI can generate ads-optimized resumes and cover letters instantly. People pay $100 plus per resume for professional writing services on Freelancer and Fiverr. Let AI do the work while you collect the cash. Are these points enough, or I should add some more? Want your thoughts in the comments section. Found this helpful? Like, share, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel for immediate updates.